Hi, I'm Peg from Sony, and I'm going to show you an incredibly easy and useful application available on the Sony Tablet S called the Remote Control. This app allows you to replace your existing remotes for your audio and video products with a single remote application available right on the tablet. So let's go ahead and show you how this works. From the home screen, open the Remote Control application. Tap on Register Device. You can select either the Easy Registration option, which is the recommended setup, or the Learn from a Remote Control option. This option is used when your device is not listed as a category or a manufacturer. I'm going to show you how to use the Easy Registration. To begin, tap on Easy Registration and then select Next. Tap on Category. To see all the product device listed, simply use your finger to swipe up and down to scroll through the entire list. Once you found your device, just tap on that. Now select the manufacturer. Again, you can use your finger to scroll up and down through the list to select the manufacturer. Remember, if you can't find the category or the manufacturer of your device, go back to the previous screen and select Learn from a Remote Control. You can send the most frequently used commands, such as changing volume or changing channels, by making a gesture, such as flicking or tapping without looking at the screen. Select the features you want to send with gestures by tapping here. My options for gestures are volume only, volume and channels, volume and playback controls, or no gestures at all. Just tap on the option you want. Select Next. Now I'm ready to test it. Tap on Remote Control Test. I can now change the volume of the TV using the tablet's Remote Control app. When you are done testing it, just tap on Finish Test and then Finish. You will now see that your device is registered. You can register up to 5 devices. To register another device, tap on Register Device and repeat the same process. It's that simple.